Hello everyone, got a quick tip. If you got a leaky faucet, just want to throw this out there. Changing the cartridges stuff on these things is super simple. Unscrew the Allen screw there with an Allen wrench. Pull the thing off, take a pair of channel locks, unscrew the thing underneath there, and then pull the cartridge out. It's a little plastic thing about yay. It has a what do they call them, a little ring, plastic O-ring or whatever on the bottom, or a nylon or whatever that prevents, or rubber that prevents the water from leaking. I think sometimes that wears away. Then your faucet will start leaking. So just a tip, this is just a tip. Pull the cartridge out if you don't know exact model number that you need, and take that cartridge to your local hardware store. That way you can match it with one of the similar brand or whatever, one that's compatible with yours, so you don't wind up going to the hardware store and buying extra cartridges. So like a little cartridge looks like that. There's a couple of them for this Glacier Bay one, and if I would have taken the cartridge down there, it would have saved me from having to buy. I went and just had bought both of them that were there for it, and this one is not compatible. But fortunately, I saved the receipt, so we're good to go there. Anyway, just a quick tip on if you're replacing your cartridge in your sink handle there because, or in the faucet handle because it's leaking. So, and that's what is mainly the cause of a leaking faucet, is the cartridge is wearing out. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.